Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Seeni Murukku. You can also call it as a sugar coated snack. So let's see the ingredients that we need. So we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So make sure to sieve the flour first. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of semolina, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So mix all the dry ingredients well. So I'm going to divide this mix into 3 cups equally. So as I'm going to add 3 colors of coloring. If you don't like adding coloring, you can mix it just as it is. So I'm going to add the first portion of the mix into the bowl. Then I'm going to add some green coloring into 2 tablespoons of water. Then mix it. Then I'm going to start adding it into the mix, and I'm going to mix it using a spoon. Then I'm going to start mixing with my hand, and I'm going to add a little bit more water. We have to make sure to have a stiff dough. So now I'm done with the green. I'm going to do the rest as well. So now all 3 doughs are ready. I'm going to leave it in a bowl to rest for 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. I'm going to roll the dough into a sheet. I'm using my tabletop. I have split some all-purpose flour on it. So using a roller, I'm going to roll this to a sheet. Make sure to flip the side each time you do the rolling. So now my sheet is ready. I'm going to do the cutting. I'm going to cut it into diamond shapes. Diamond shapes will be the ideal shape for this recipe. So I'm going to use the same method on the red and blue dough as well. So as you can see, I'm done with the cutting. So let's start with the deep frying. So the oil is well heated. I'm going to get these pieces fried until it's crispy. So I'm done with all the frying now. So now into a pan I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. Then into that I'm adding 1 cup of water. Turn on the flame into medium heat now, and we will get the sugar syrup ready. So you have to stir this continuously until we get a thick texture. So now my sugar syrup texture is ready. So we're going to mix this with the Seeni Murukku that we prepared. So now I'm going to add the red murukku first into a bowl, and I'm going to pour 2 to 3 spoons of sugar syrup into it and mix it well. So now I'm going to mix all 3 colors together. I didn't have yellow coloring available at home. You can use yellow instead of blue to give it a more nice look. So I hope you can hear the crispy sound of this Seeni Murukku. So this is the Seeni Murukku recipe that I prepared today. So give it a try when you have all ingredients at home. Kids, all family members would love this, to have it as a snack. So share this recipe with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.